In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an editable PDF to a non-editable format using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a crucial step if you want to secure your document and prevent unauthorized changes. Let's get started with the process. First off, you need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure that the document you have is indeed the one you want to protect. It's always a good idea to double check the contents of your PDF to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding with any form of protection. Once your document is open and you've confirmed everything looks good, you'll want to navigate your attention to the menu at the top left of the screen. Adobe Acrobat's interface is quite intuitive, but the key is to look for the section where document security settings are located. Hover your cursor over the menu and you should see various options unfold. Now you should select the option titled Protect Using Password. This setting is the gateway to making your PDF non-editable. When you choose this, a dialog box will pop up, inviting you to set certain parameters for your document's protection. In this dialog box, you'll need to select the specific type of protection you want for your document. For our purpose of making the PDF non-editable, you'll select Editing. This ensures that while others can still view your document, they won't be able to change the content, keeping your text and formatting intact. Once you have Editing selected as your option for protection, it's time to type in a password. This step is critical, as this password is what will prevent unauthorized changes. Choose a strong password that you can remember, but also difficult for others to guess. This will be your key to maintaining control over the document's content. You'll now need to retype your chosen password. This is just a verification step to ensure what you input stays consistent and to prevent any errors in typing. It's a simple but essential step to ensure there's no hitch when securing your document. With your password confirmed, the next step is to apply these settings. Look for the Apply button in the dialog box. Clicking this will set your document's protection to the specifications you've chosen. At this point, your document should now be classed as non-editable. Remember that anyone with the password will be able to edit the document, so keep this information secure. And there you have it, a straightforward way to convert an editable PDF into a non-editable one using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process not only shields your document from unwanted alterations, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your content is protected. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.